JPEG XL is a next-generation image format that offers improved compression and quality. Recently, Microsoft added support for JPEG XL, and I'll guide you through the simple process of installing it on your Windows 11 machine, so let's get started. One of the reasons you might want to add JPEG XL support to Windows 11 is that it's being adopted by popular image editing software such as Paint.net. As more and more applications start to support this new format, having native support in your operating system will become increasingly important. With JPEG XL, you'll be able to open, edit, and save images in this format, taking advantage of its improved compression ratios and features like lossless compression, alpha channel support, and more. If you try to open a JPEG XL file in the classic Microsoft Paint app, you'll likely encounter an error or find that the image doesn't display properly. This is because MS Paint doesn't have native support for JPEG XL. If you prefer not to use the Microsoft Store, or if you're having trouble finding the JPEG XL support package there's an alternative method to install it. You can download the package from a trusted source. To do this, simply copy and paste the link and press the check mark button. Now download the JPEG XL support package in the form of an apps bundle file, which you can then install manually in Windows 11. If the download fails or you're unsure about the safety of the file, it's always a good idea to err on the side of caution. Before attempting to install the apps bundle file, you can check it for potential security risks using a service like VirusTotal. Simply upload the file to VirusTotal and scan it with multiple antivirus engines to ensure it's clean and safe to install. Since the apps bundle file has been scanned and appears to be safe, we can now proceed with installing the JPEG XL support package. To do this, simply double-click on the downloaded file. To proceed with the installation, simply press the Install button. If you encounter an error message during the installation process, it's likely because your version of Windows 11 is not compatible with the JPEG XL support package. To install this package, you need to be running Windows 11 version 2 to H2 or later. If you're not sure which version of Windows 11 you're running, you can easily find out by using the vir command. To do this, open the command prompt or PowerShell on your Windows 11 machine, type in the command vir, and press Enter. This will display the version of Windows 11 you're running. You can then check the Wikipedia page for Windows 11 versions to see which build number corresponds to which version, such as 24H2 or later. Now that I've confirmed my Windows 11 installation is up to date and running version 24H2 or later, let's repeat the steps to install the JPEG XL support package. Let's go back to the Downloads folder and find the apps bundle file we downloaded earlier. Double-click on the file to launch the installer. The installation window will appear and you'll see the Install button. Click on the Install button to start the installation process. This time, the installation should proceed without any issues. Now that we've installed the JPEG XL support package, let's try dragging and dropping a JPEG XL file into Microsoft Paint to see if it works. Unfortunately, even after installing the package, you may still find that JPEG XL files don't open correctly in Paint. This is because, although we've installed the necessary package to support JPEG XL, Microsoft Paint itself still needs to be updated to fully support this new image format. It's likely that Microsoft will add native support for JPEG XL to MS Paint and other Windows apps in a future update. Although Microsoft Paint may not yet support JPEG XL files, you can see that the file format is now natively supported in Windows Explorer. You can rotate the JPEG XL image, view its properties, and even set it as your desktop background. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you in the next video.